pair of lines. If u equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and v equal to a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are any two lines, then their joint, that is combined equation, is uv equal to 0. That is, in bracket a1x plus b1y plus c1 into another bracket a2x plus b2y plus c2 bracket complete equal to 0. Conversely, uv equal to 0 represents the joint equation of the lines whose separate equations are u equal to 0 and v equal to 0. The combined equation of two lines through the origin is the homogeneous equation of second degree, that is ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. This equation is called as a homogeneous equation of degree 2 in x and y because sum of the indices of x and y in each term is 2. The separate equations represented by the homogeneous equation of second degree, that is ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 are y equal to minus h plus root h square minus ab upon b into x and y equal to minus h minus root h square minus ab upon b into x if b is not equal to 0. If number 1, h square minus ab is greater than 0, then lines are real and distinct. Second, h square minus ab equal to 0, then lines are real and coincident. Number 3, h square minus ab less than 0, then the lines are imaginary. If m1 and m2 are the slopes of the lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0, then m1 plus m2 is minus 2h upon b and m1 m2 equal to a upon b. Also, m1 m2 are the roots of the equation bm square plus twice hm plus a equal to 0, which is called an auxiliary equation. Acute angle theta between the lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 is given by tan theta equal to mod of 2 root h square minus ab upon a plus b if a plus b not equal to 0. If the lines are perpendicular, then a plus b equal to 0. That is, sum of the coefficients of x square and y square is 0. If the lines are coincident, then h square minus ab equal to 0, that is h square equal to ab. The combined equation of any two lines is the general equation of second degree in x and y, that is ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0. The general equation of second degree, that is ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0, equation number 1, represents a pair of lines if determinant ahg, hbf, gfc is 0, that is abc plus twice fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. Note that lines represented by general equation 1 are parallel to the lines given by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0. Therefore, acute angle theta between the lines represented by equation 1 is given by tan theta equal to mod of 2 root h square minus ab upon a plus b if a plus b not equal to 0. Clearly, the lines represented by equation 1 are parallel if h square minus ab equal to 0 and are perpendicular if a plus b equal to 0. That is, coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square equal to 0. Combined equation of lines passing through the origin and perpendicular to the lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 is bx square minus twice hxy plus ay square equal to 0. Note that coefficients of x square and y square are interchanged and coefficient of xy changes in sign only. Combined equation of lines passing through x1 y1 and number 1 parallel to the lines ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 is a into x minus x1 bracket square plus twice h into x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus b into y minus y1 bracket square equal to 0. Second, lines are perpendicular if b x minus x1 bracket square minus twice h x minus x1 into y minus y1 plus a into y minus y1 bracket square equal to 0. The coordinates of the point of intersection x1 y1 of the lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square plus twice gx plus twice fy plus c equal to 0 is found by solving equations ax1 plus hy1 plus g equal to 0 and hx1 plus by1 plus f equal to 0 simultaneously. The combined equation of the bisectors of the angles between the lines ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equal to 0 is given by x square minus y square upon a minus b equal to xy upon h.